There's a feeling in the air, isn't there? A low hum of anxiety that gets louder every time you read a headline about AI. The robots are coming. For solopreneurs, that fear is even more acute. But what if that fear is based on a lie? What if AI isn't your replacement, but your secret weapon? The great lie about AI is that it's here to take your job. The truth? It's here to take your tasks, the repetitive, soul-crushing tasks that keep you from doing the high-level strategic work that only you, the founder, can do. AI doesn't replace your skill, it amplifies your strategy. You've been told 3 great lies. Lie number 1, you need to be a tech genius. The truth? If you can write an email, you can use AI. Lie number 2, AI will make your business robotic. The truth? AI is a mirror, it reflects your unique voice at 100 times the speed. Lie number 3, it's too late to start. The truth? We are in the first minute of the first day. Starting now gives you an insurmountable advantage. This is the birth of a new kind of entrepreneur, the AI Solopreneur. They don't trade time for money, they build automated systems. They aren't the worker, they are the director. They don't compete on effort, they compete on leverage. This is the identity you must embrace. So how do you start? 3 simple steps. 1. Automate 1 repetitive task this week. Just 1. 2. Find 1 AI tutor, a YouTube channel, a newsletter, a community, and learn for 15 minutes a day. 3. Before you start any task, ask yourself one question: how can AI do 80% of this for me? The future belongs to the brave. You can let fear keep you stuck, or you can embrace the most powerful leverage in human history. If you're ready to stop being afraid and start building, I've put together a free blueprint with the exact prompts and tools to get you started. Click the link in the description to get the AI Solopreneur Blueprint and join our free community of entrepreneurs who are embracing the future together.